Alrighty, now we're going to do offset. It's raining pretty good out there. Makes kind of a, makes it a pain in the butt because you got to have the windows down. So he's in that far lane. He's going to go on down to the end there. Pivot his trailer and bring it back over into this lane closer. And he gets two free pull-ups. And I have no idea where he's going now. Now it's been a long day. Everybody's tired. It's only like 4:15. It seems like it's 9 o'clock at night. Yeah, I have no idea where he's going, but like I said, with the rain and everything bouncing off your windows, your mirrors, and just general fatigue, we've done this a million times now. And switching into a day cab, which is an automatic transmission, heck of a lot tighter turning radius. These guys over here, I think they're working on they're working on offset as well. Alright, so here we are back over here. He's trying to find that correct angle, start swinging the other way. I'm smart, I've got my rain gear on. I could be standing out in the rain with no problem. Most of these guys got to be soaked. And he's got a spotter out here, keeping an eye on him, making sure he doesn't run over me.
You know the word, it ain't raining, we ain't training.
That's right.
I'm just a little wet.
This is going on YouTube. Say hi, honey.
Hi, YouTube. And my wife. Oh, shut up, Surrey.
How'd you do on the road?
A lot better than yesterday.
Yeah, me too. I should have went home right after that. Now I'm burned out.
Yeah, I totally fucked up the alley dock over there.
Oh, yeah.
I'm done.
Did you jump in the truck I was in after I got out?
That one?
The farthest one?
I just
Lane
got out.
one or whatever?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Truck sucks.
Yeah. Yeah. Dude, I was like, fuck this.
Yeah. Totally.
Uh-oh, here comes the owner.
No, he's out doing it. He's out doing it. He said.
One of the instructors. See, these guys are smart. They know how to stay dry. Surprised you didn't pull right up to the door. Alright. So here comes our guy. He finally got it fingered out.
Who is it? Midget?
Yeah.
When 7th and 5th was the last one.
Say bye, honey.
Bye.